So, levels, what do we know about them? We know there are levels on the stock exchange, and most players use levels. This is where we will know in advance about the presence of a certain probability. There is no such concept as a clear level. Under the level implies the presence of such ranges. So we marked certain high points of a single line, and we also require enclosing it with a zone positioned above and below it. The price can either reach the level and bounce back, or exceed it, and it can also bounce back. Therefore, we mark it here as a zone. Sometimes, of course, it happens that we have a limit order placed, and it purely causes a rebound. But this is uncommon. Primarily, we have such a vast area. The greater the volatility of the instrument, the more extensive this zone will be. Next, where to build ranges, where to build these levels. In fact, this is the place where the price changed its direction. We were ascending, then descended, and now we have reached a point where it is already at a level. But you may ask, how do you set the level? I'll tell you, choose a place with the highest concentration of strikes. When you take a closer look at this place, you will notice a multitude of specific spires that are present in this area. And the level needs to be established where the price has reached the maximum number of occurrences. So we have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch. That is, where did she hit the most times? So it's not here on top. Here there was only 1 touch. Here we are looking at where there were the maximum number of hits. This also applies to averages, to such a movement. Where can I put the level here? Once again, this is the place where the price changed its direction. That is, therefore, it can be placed here and here and here and here and here. But actually, you have to pick spots where the price has reached the highest number of occurrences. Accordingly, these will be these 3 levels. And one more very important point. The level should be clear and obvious to everyone. Levels are a place of liquidity, where traders mass make trading decisions. Accordingly, we should have a place that is clear and obvious and noticeable to everyone. Next, let's see how to build levels using the example of an Ether coin. That is, we see, again, we have several touches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why 5 touches, not 3? Because for us it's a zone, yes, and it affects us in this zone. And we mark the level where most touches occurred. That is, where the price changed direction. Once again, 1, 2, 3. So in this case, this level was also a false breakout, and then there was a breakthrough. Mark this level, this zone. Next we have again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the 5th attempt we succeeded. Also, there was another touch at 10. That is, she changed her direction. There was a breakthrough here. Next, we additionally experienced a rebound from this level here. So you observe the number of touches there were. She altered her direction from this level. We observe 1, 2, 3, 4. In other words, once again, we designate the area. Levels, of course, have the potential to change. And this is not the type of thing that we implement and that somehow miraculously impacts the market. No. Levels change because the decisions of buyers and sellers change. Fair prices change. People themselves change, and in different places they start making trading decisions. This is only a level, and treat it easier. The easier you approach this matter, the easier your trading will go. Next, why do levels work? As I've said, levels are visible to all, and trading decisions are made there en masse. We either get a bounce from the level or a breakthrough. And finally, for you to learn how to build proper levels, practice is needed, namely a small exercise. Take any financial instrument, for example Bitcoin, and start adding a level. For example, here they added a level, and we continue with the story. Apparently it worked. After I add a level, then we check if it worked. Then we go on further. Here something starts. We again raise the level and move on with the story. So we see it worked again. Work for 3-4 days and you will understand how many levels you need to set. So there shouldn't be too many levels. Your entire schedule should not be cluttered with these levels. And that's where I'll stop. Thank you all for watching and good luck.